Hi, I'm Schrodinger, and I was born in Vienna, Austria, in August 12, 1887. I'm a person who enjoys playing instruments, learning various languages, playing chess, and collecting train track models. I entered the University of Vienna in 1906 and obtained the doctorate in 1910. In 1926, at the age of 39, I produced the papers that gave the foundation of quantum mechanics, also known as my famous wave equation. In 1933, I received the Nobel Prize and did a thought experiment about a cat in 1935. Now I'm in my home after my retirement. This is the story of establishing the atomic cloud model. When I was a teenager, there was a British scientist called Young, who used his double-slit experiment to prove that electrons are waves. In the model, first there's a light source that acts as electrons. Then they will go through the slits. Additionally, intensity distribution of electrons will be shown in black and white lines that construct stripes and patterns. If electrons are particles, they probably end up in the same range of places all the time. However, that's not what actually happened. In the experiment, they rather ended up in places that can be explained if electrons are waves. For instance, if electrons were to pass through the spaces between the slits, forming waves, there will be a spectrum of locations where waves overlap. When the waves all overlap, the intensity rate is higher, forming darker lines. Overall, this tells us about the pattern and the likelihoods of where the electrons might be in the area. Oh, hi, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm currently calculating electron clouds of a hydrogen atom. This equation is called the wave equation, and I established this equation to find the electrons of different atoms. Here, these are what each part of the equation mean. Also, I am now testing my equation by finding out the electron waves of a hydrogen atom. And this is what I've got. As you can see, there is one cloud, which is one S cloud, where the S symbolizes sphere. The shape of the cloud forms a sphere, so it's called one S cloud. If you get to more complex atoms, we'll be able to see more clouds like this. 2S clouds, 3S clouds, 1P cloud, etc. In each cloud, there's a maximum number of electrons there can be. There is also a specific order for the shells. It goes like this: 1S, 2S, 2P, 3S, etc. Moreover, we can observe that electrons have higher odds of being in the center than other places inside the cloud. Like this, I have contributed the understanding of the atom, atomic work, claiming that electrons form clouds or shells. I have also calculated the probabilities of where electrons are most likely to be in. After this discovery, I received the Nobel Prize in 1933. Thank you. Okay, in conclusion, my discovery improved Bohr's planetary model by proposing electrons are actually waves, and they form clouds instead of orbiting in specific positions. Again, big thanks to Young, who discovered that electron is both particles and waves. Also, I want to encourage all of you to contribute to better understand science, because our discovery can change and improve all the time, and it will help us gain knowledge about many topics. Bye.